Imagine a land where ancient civilizations meet modern vibrancy, where the echoes of history blend seamlessly with the pulse of contemporary life. Welcome to Türkiye. Türkiye, officially known as the Republic of Türkiye, is a country that straddles two continents, Asia and Europe, offering a unique blend of cultures and traditions. The capital city, Ankara, stands as a testament to the nation's rich history and its forward-looking vision. However, Istanbul, the largest city, is the beating heart of Türkiye, a bustling metropolis that bridges the east and west. Türkiye's official language is Turkish, spoken by the majority of its 85 million people, with ethnic Turks making up the largest group. Ethnic Kurds form the largest minority, contributing to the country's rich cultural tapestry. Türkiye's government is a unitary presidential republic, led by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan. The Grand National Assembly serves as the legislative body, shaping the nation's laws and policies. Turkey's journey through history is a tale of resilience and transformation, from the ancient Hittites to the mighty Ottoman Empire. The Ottoman Empire, founded in 1299, expanded to become a global power, with Istanbul as its crowning jewel. The empire's decline in the 19th and early 20th centuries led to significant reforms and the eventual establishment of the Republic of Türkiye in 1923. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the republic's founder, introduced sweeping reforms to modernize and secularize the nation. Türkiye's strategic location has made it a key player in regional and global politics, being a founding member of the OECD, G20, and NATO. The country's economy is diverse, with significant contributions from agriculture, industry, and services. Türkiye is a major producer of textiles, electronics, and automobiles, with companies like TOG leading the way in electric vehicles. Tourism is a vital part of Türkiye's economy, attracting millions of visitors to its historical sites and natural wonders. From the ancient ruins of Ephesus to the stunning landscapes of Cappadocia, Türkiye offers a wealth of experiences for travelers. The country's rich biodiversity includes 3 of the world's biodiversity hotspots, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Türkiye's climate varies from temperate along the coast to harsher conditions in the interior, offering diverse environments. The nation is also prone to earthquakes, with significant efforts in place to improve preparedness and resilience. Türkiye's education system has seen significant improvements, with increasing access to quality education and a growing number of universities. The healthcare system is robust, providing universal coverage and making Türkiye a top destination for health tourism. Türkiye's cultural heritage is vast, with 21 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and a rich tradition in arts, music, and literature. Turkish cuisine is renowned for its diversity and flavor, from kebabs to baklava, reflecting the country's varied influences. Sports play a significant role in Turkish society, with football being the most popular, alongside basketball and volleyball. Türkiye's media landscape is vibrant, with numerous television channels, radio stations, and a thriving film industry. Turkish TV dramas have gained international acclaim, becoming one of the country's most vital cultural exports. The nation's commitment to innovation is evident in its growing investment in research and development, particularly in technology and defense. Turkey's space program aims to enhance its capabilities in satellite communication and space exploration. The country's infrastructure is continually evolving, with significant investments in transportation and energy. Turkey's geopolitical significance continues to shape its foreign relations, balancing ties with Europe, the Middle East, and beyond. Join us as we explore the dynamic and multifaceted nation of Turkey, where history and modernity coexist in harmony. Discover the essence of Turkey, where the past meets the future.